Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the Slyguy repository on Kodi. First, open Kodi and head to the settings gear icon in the top left corner. Next, click on File Manager to add a new source. Select Add Source and then click on Any. Now, enter the URL https://slyguy.github.io/repo/ and hit OK. Give it a name, like Slyguy repo, and click OK again. Go back to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click on the open box icon at the top left to access the add-on browser. Choose Install from zip file and find the Slyguy repo you just added. Select the repository zip file and wait for the notification that it's installed. Now, go back and select Install from repository. Find Slyguy repository and explore all the amazing add-ons available. And that's it. You're all set to enhance your Kodi experience.